The QC for export is very important in third wave and specialty coffee for buyers and sellers. It is ideal to have a QC protocol that allows you to identify if the quality of the exportable lots match the one that the customer is looking for. When doing clear packaging, it's important to label appropriately the origin of the coffee, the way it was processed, and hopefully an ID that allows everyone to understand you're talking about the same lot. For export, coffee should be packed in GrainPro or EcoTag bags that will help maintain a consistent relative humidity throughout the shipping process. And it's important to maintain a clear communication with the customer to see if the coffee landed in the adequate conditions. Packing marking is standardized by the ICO, and it should have three codes that are important. The first one is the country of origin, the code of the exporter, and the lot that identifies each individual processing batch. With this information, coffee can be packed in different sizes and units. Ideally, it shouldn't pass the 70 kg barrier. It's the one that we use in Colombia. In other countries, you use 60 kg bags. And for specific microlots, you can use vacuum packs of 24 kilo boxes. Quality control is very important because it states a clear path of communication between the producer and the customer. It is ideal that both are in the capacity of evaluating their coffees so that the communication is clear and that once the coffee is sold, they have the simplest terms to rely on.